Which is the better bike? The Royal Enfield Scram 411 or Classic 350? What if the Classic is tuned and bumped to 410cc? Or is it better to wait for the Scram 440? Stay tuned and find out. As you might already know, I'm the dedicated and proud owner of the sweetest Classic 350 on YouTube. The last 3 years I have updated and modded it to near perfection. 410cc big bore, racing cam, DNA air filter, Fuel X, custom luggage system, homemade dash, rev counter, etc. All the bits and pieces you can imagine, plus some. I have toured the Classic all around Norway on mountain serpentines, open highways and amongst the fjords, with and without passenger and luggage. My experience is extensive. Also, you might have picked up that I run a business that, amongst others, offers Scram 411 as a rental motorcycle. As a good manager, I of course test my products. In total, I have done more than 1,000 kilometers on the Scram. Also on this, I've been on various types of roads, from high mountain serpentines and gravel back roads to highway cruising, with and without passenger and luggage. So I do believe that I have a fairly good sense of what the Scram and the Classic is capable of. So, which is better? The Scram is a very nice touring machine. Its strong bottom end and relaxed gearing makes it capable and comfortable. It seems heavier than the Classic, even though it really isn't. Probably due to a higher weight distribution. However, once it's rolling, it's very well balanced. Maybe more so than the Classic. The slightly larger engine makes for more comfortable cruising. It's smooth and strong up to 100 km an hour. Noticeably more torquey than a stock Classic, which frequently struggles at these speeds. At lower speeds, however, the Classic makes up for the smaller engine with a character and style. Still, none of these bikes are very powerful. To be happy, you need a different mindset. Seeking flow and zen rather than speed and adrenaline. With its vintage character, the Classic gets away with this rather well. On the Scram, some may find it more of a stretch. Both bikes offer great handling and comfort. The one-cylinder engine is smooth and flexible, offering more real-life strength than is suggested by the numbers. Both carry passenger and luggage really well. My regular pillion prefers the comfortable rear seat of the Classic, while I, as a pilot, find the Scram slightly better due to the extra torque. You decide who to please, pillion or pilot. How about the 440 Scram? I don't think they nailed it. One extra HP and adding a sixth gear? I don't know. I would rather have seen the existing 411 with a bit more power at higher RPMs. A racing cam will do just that, and well within the budget of upgrading to a 440. So, which bike would I choose? Between the stock bikes, I would choose Scram for day-to-day usability and touring. The Classic I would pick for looks, character and the occasional weekend backcountry ride. What about my tuned 410 Classic? It's strong, peppy and has loads of character. It might be an unfair comparison, but I would choose it over a stock Scram for almost all purposes.